Okay, welcome bots. You come, you hit the share button. I see people the way they do the share. I see Zoe Anderson. I salute you, 21 gun salute. Wherever you did, I true salute. When you come, you comment. Hey, the bigger bros Wizzy. I see you. I see my brother Wizzy. I see you. 21 gun salute. 21 gun salute, my brother. It's not easy. You give a fight. You give a fight. The fight till we read Boya. Boya now only the final bus stop. I see Michael. No, I see you. Salute, comrade. I the way you salute Michael. 21 gun salute. John. Okay, I see you. My brother John Paul, I see you. 21 gun salute. Magimo, I see you. Honor Abu, I see you. 21 gun salute. I throw greetings for this side end. Anderson, salute. And don't forget to hit the share button. We get a lot of revelation for given today as far as the revolution be concerned. Plenty thing anyway. We go to talk this 2021. Now for review names, we know go down people that die there with the Pampa people. Nelly Best, I the salute. When I hit the share button, make the time reach, we just start kick. Yes. Until we reach Boya. No stop. No turning back, no stop. Until we reach Boya. Yeah, of course, ADM is Tommy block now to our revolution. All we will know that one, and even the people of Ground Zero, they testify. So, we just keep our finger crossed. Yes, we just keep our finger crossed. Thank you for sharing. Invite friends. For some, I salute Alex. Aza, I Troy salute. Revolutionary greetings. Ajek Kejo, London, I Troy salute. Najakaju. Don't stay where I hear that name, Ajakaju. I don't stay where I hear that name, Ajakaju. London. Actually, salute. Ambazonia Israel, Israel, Adichowe salute. Edith Buma, Adichowe salute. Yes, we just a few minutes. Then we kick off. I don't want to say as from now, any man we do share rubbish with the Joker call name for our platform now, so we need to keep anything say with the Pampa people. Abong Johnny, you are welcome, always there, my brother, always there. Thank you for sharing. Okay. Now we'll just go straight to the point. Before I go straight to the point, I want first of all for talk with way at least for give some appreciation for fighters, especially our fighters on Ground Zero, all over the territory of Ambazonia. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ambazonians, on a good evening, wherever on a day. Yes, we see the ghost town where some people, where they claim say they don't stay with the revolution in quote for 40 years, 50 years. They try for blackmail and for what are the one make that say relevant, but that one I will still come to the package. We'll still come to the package. But I want first of all thank the restoration fighters of FACO. I want to thank them so much for their job well done. And they make the world, me la Republic know say, the level where we don't reach. I don't beg, I don't debate plenty times, say any man where he talk, you get a small link with the military, you get a small link with la Republic. I bet inform them say the level where Ambazonian don't reach for this war. The level where we don't reach and the level where we go. When I tell them say any man will get a brother where they were military, where they were Ambazonian. May it play where it stand. May it stand fine. Because we go move up them for that place of the day. We go move up them. Not just a matter of time. But surely we go move up the military them for play with the day. Our times, our restoration fighters of FACO and the Manu, where we don't get. I'll bring Manu their own breaking news for a Umojo. I will bring Manu their own breaking news. What way I want to tell our people and say, when I see the how we will fight the war. When I remember say when this war will start. It start inside suburb, inside villages, before you want to come for town. The war, it will take some process before you want to come for town. Now, military, La Republic, they will get a strategy. Where that strategy, they will not say they will burn the whole villages. Me all my run come for town. As all my run will come for town, the town now will be concentrated, and then our boys them. They know fit come for town. Now why that way la Republic, it go burn villages. It burn villages, so that mean our people they be demoralized first. And when they be demoralized, and then they fear, they surrender. And then secondly, I say, me all my run go for town. So that when they run go for town, they know get they know say our restoration fighters they be equipped inside bush. So that when they run come for town now, the town now will be saturated. Then now they will just cap the town now. The laws of the game they go start, work. But little they don't know. Say the war where Ambazonian the fight today. No matter war where it start for 2016 as per se. Now war where we not fight the war internally ever since. From the day one where we join the Republic, we start fight this war ever since. Patasan and Agwabala and Seseko, their own time. Now people that they spark the fire. Patasan they just spark the fire. When they smoke, if you don't define where they smoke the day under. So they just spark the fire. Where Nati will be on the bubble ever since. But now say the level where we think say it go there, come that way. La Republic. Not be expect we for say we fight region level and we like the peaceful people of Ambazonian will not ever believe say we will even hold weapon for fight the Republic because we believe for ourselves say we get a genuine cause, we get a genuine case where we will just cry La Republic, we go on table. They will settle our problem. But when La Republic president Paul Biya, he declare war on we. And then I hear some stupid pocket lawyer them for Yaoundé. So one made some statement say, Paul Biya no declare war for we. Say Paul Biya no declare war. They ask myself, say, if Paul Biya no declare war, the military, the way they for Ambazonian, they do it. Where they kill, they rape our people, they rape our sisters, our mothers, the born wa mommy they alive for us, born wa papa they for alive for us, carry pikin for 3 months, Emma inside oil, where the bubble for fire, and then you say they not declare war, but that not we standing now on our problem that. But I want just give them a small message. I want give them so small message. Me they know, and me they know say we come for them. Me like for me know say we come for them. Una see where our restoration forces for FACO they do am. Una see the videos. That why they in a film. Una watch the video where they shoot, they go for attack the police post, and they succeed, they attack, and they go back. That one a blood daylight fight. That one not been say na film where una hear breaking news for night. Una hear say something be happen for night, and then one wake up for morning time, we hear say they become attack the police post. They become that one been a breaking live. It been a live video, and where people they will do that way. Their cameras in. No say now so Android phone they all sides. So man they na fi has way. It is CIA zoom am everything put up on social media. We attack them, block the light. We not know why we attack them. Now nothing know. Why we the boys them, our boys they decide for say they will attack the post now because they don't wait for bush they need to come. They don't wait for bush they need to come. And we tell our republic say the ammunition will hold them. The only thing that republic pass we now and say they get ammo car they rotate on bed. We pass them because we get to where they take ammo car off the game. We don't fear for waka for combo. We don't fear for waka for bui. We don't fear for waka for mokitinja. We don't fear for waka for Libya lem. We don't fear for waka for FACO. We never fear. We never fear. But when they tell you say the days ahead, it be pregnant. And they give you warning for the Republic and ambassador the way they are picking the inside military. We never cry. We not one time when we cry, we don't cry, ambassador, we don't cry. Now we cry the tears. We don't cry such tears, you don't finish for our eye anymore. Yes. I want to tell the Republic say, with the ambassador people, we don't cry. We don't cry so tears don't finish for our eye. No way, no day for cry again. Now, we don't say sagat. Anyhow we want be, and we come for una. Now time this for una for bury una loved ones. I mean the people that are military. Now time in this way, una go bury the loved one. Now don't wait. That one for FACO, it be just be like small taste. We want to taste. Una wait the bigger package. Una wait the bigger package it come. So at one time our forces of FACO and this one it take we because we know minimize when something happen. We ask a question, ask question wait till the cause it happen. Now war draft now draft the cause all the action because before you want to go attack a police post, and when police post be guarded by military, it means that you be well suffocated. Now, I say your power arm where you hold on. Whenever you hear the government, the sound up, all man is sleep, all man go inside house, and our restoration fighter they be. When I see the friendly way our fighter they get, the love where they get for our civilians, they shoot, they tell civilians they say when I enter house, But when a military be first to start fire civilians. But when I hear our restoration fighters, they invite, they tell civilians, say when I enter for us, them want go attack na military. But na military will do it. When I hear say casualties, when I hear say military start shoot inside house them, start shoot any man way mutopam. When I see how professional, the real restoration fighters they be. Now they fight in that where they protect the civilians after they shoot, they tell us to run. Now they run because they know so they want to go attack na military. So kudos to them. Now the power that, now the power under where the war draft, it don't go in power. Because we don't tell them, say, they dance. All this talk with the talk. Now power arm, we need that for ground zero. If we talk, we beat, go left, right, come this man do this man do this, that, UN talk say, America talk say, now ground zero. Oh, wait, away, our focus, our mind, we supposed to talk the thing. Now how we meet our fighters. They get the strongest power arm for ground zero. RPG. Not only RPG, snipers. Snipers, they will tell the way we will take people for 1 kilometer. We will start target the big people then. Like the governors, Dios. We stand very far, we take them. We stand with also upstairs house. Where the day was a conference. With those snipers, we take them. Time they can reach. We tell that the public say we only match and match. But we go reach. And we go reach to that point. Now, we not even sometimes go the way. Sometimes we go the way the Republic go beg we. Like go the beg we for that Swiss. We will tell say no time not pass to for Swiss. Because now I will tell them say we now go for Swiss. We go for Swiss. Then they make delay tactics. Time go the way. La Republic will tell you say, if bet, we go for Swiss. We will tell them say no. Now so we want impact, one back what you wanna do we go back and for civilians for cross Mongo. And then we wanna feel the small pain. And then after we feel the small pain, then we go with negotiation. When I tell that be that one very me know that one very well say time they way them go bet say when I go for Swiss. We just say no. We must inflict pain over Mongo. They will not feel to the heat. Like how we don't feel that with the past years. Then now we go for Swiss. As they talk, we don't want to talk. But we don't tell them say World Draft 2021 they come. Now tell the Republic say World Draft 2021 they come. And the World Draft 2021 they come. Immediately the money they enter the user will meet with the immediate effects. World Draft 2021 they come. Fako don't prove them. Say Fako restoration fighter don't reprove them. Say no be na heart, no be na fear they fear. They need wait way if you take for reach that play bomb. I don't imagine say if our boys them be reach to that place where they go RPG. Eh? They will bomb the whole. Now we hear a different story. If our boys them will reach for that Fako and then for that police post when RPG day for the hand. Would I don't imagine that for the hand? Why we ambassadors will not fight more get that? Why? Would they glad they do this and we see the video they glad? When I ask you to say but they don't use AK, they won't succeed. They kill two police officers yesterday for Fako. They succeed for move 2 for game. When I see blood for them. And then when I see another video where you see another police with the military people they stand around. When we just imagine say if this boy they be whole one RPG, then what will happen? Just imagine the scenario where it will happen. Now just imagine. Then go for enable as a way they use taxi. We don't get number plate them for taxi the way they operate during ghost town. We not no worry. We not operate during ghost town. If you give your taxi for military mommy right during ghost town day, we not no worry. We will monitor your number plate. They will monitor you. We will take you right or play with the state. We not even hurry because. We know the hurry say that day we go the ghost town day where military. We know hurry, but we will monitor your number plates. Monitor you very well. We get agent all over. As I said, question say now the same way they motor them. Where they work that day. And we don't know my tell again. Sometimes when I feel say Betty Asomo, it talk when I say miss what. Una say Betty Asomo don't talk as here. The Minister of Defense of the Republic say military don't really be infiltrated. And not only in the lower level, in the higher level. Una hear very well, enable us. Enable us. Una hear La Republic Minister of Defense talk say can La Republic military not be infiltrated by Ambazonians in the top rank, in the top military. No, na this small boys the way they go fight. So una be very careful, enablers. As una think say that be enablers, military to the way they work, they give we statistics every day. What they do? So after the way our boys they do a run. They do the act run them. Now military go give you video and picture for the act the way our boys they don't do am. So una enabler, una say una free, una not free. So when you walk, go stand there. Go stand there. You walk, or you give a motor for military mommy walk for seku. All this. You not only burn the motor. You not see what you have with Fako. You not only burn the motor. They will find you. They will find you in person. Will join you and that motor. They will join you and that motor. We now continue. And here, Moliko, and Victoria. We now be busy for Monday days. We did see me. I don't want to tell you Moliko. We now be busy for Monday days. So tell you say even university they smoothly go in school for Monday days. We now no worry. We now continue. We now see what will happen for Fako. We now need to expect. Now so because tell me what this our body will decide. I don't know they will come out. Now why that way we deplete with our population say we now stay for us for ghost town day. You don't know the way our ghost fighter they decide for storm the street. We now see our fighters them they be very loyal self because any man they see our that street for Munya it is supposed in name supposed to be a die because of it. We don't talk say for ghost town day any man when they parade that street na military, but our body still get suffered. And that suffered, we not take their leniency for granted. We not continue. We not continue. But the future, it be pregnant. I hear Monja say, that thing happen where it dey na Yaoundé. We not tell Monja say they never suffer any. Yeah. We not tell Monja say we never suffer any. It be an ant. Monja just small ant. We not be left the bigger package. They will follow, and you know be left elephant. Then they follow Capindon. My know that in the name of Capindon, you know. Yes, you know be leave elephant. Then you follow Capindon. We they follow a bigger package, a bigger thing. The key Monja who offend no say the Monja don't die. Who offend no? Who know Monja? A part of that is small village. Who know it? Where it make noise. So our resistance fighters and our civilians we not going to work in collaboration. Our resistance fighters, our civilians we not going to work in collaboration. If you not hear a minister of defense talking, he cry, say military will be infiltrated by Amber. Mission don't finish with them. Now no say we don't finish with them. Now all that. No way, no day. No meeting. Secret. No day where the people hold for ambassador. Who no. As they hold that meeting, as they live for that meeting, we know where to they talk. I'm very live for that very meeting. Live, we know where to they talk for that meeting. As they finish, we get the conclusion too in seconds. And then we get no person the way it there for the meeting. As they talk in the type we. Military man, if they type, if they tell we say, now what today they go on. They don't plan say they will bomb this. They don't plan say they will do this. They don't plan say they will do this. They don't plan say they will do this. We know all everything. So who say enable la go? Who say enable la? Yeah, that one. Yeah, I then I go now for the breaking news for Manfred Manu. Now they call it a lion of witty for Manu. I get information and I say the video they see load. They see the person say, "My be patient in the camp. They try to walk camp." I want to tell our restoration fighters of Manu. When I don't say the restoration fighters of Manu, they don't do a great job, a marvelous job. We know that one very well. A man first start fight. A Manu start fight. Manu County. Manu County start fight, and they never relent that effort till now. Till now. Yesterday, our boys for Umojo, they began with a normal patrol. As they were patrol, one military truck where you carry military with the chop, they chop them. They succeed for enter inside our boys that trap. Our boys will be blown off. All man will quarrel. So now the breaking news that all man will quarrel and they harvest. They tell me say they harvest, they take them. Not so they don't take, they take them. We don't say we don't first show some video where our boys and two for Umojo where they take so one machine where they the Kalashnikov. Where they the Kalashnikov. Now that's same boys. Now that's same boys. So what you give to do? You don't prove beyond reasonable doubt. Say this World Draft 2020 is supposed to come on millions. Because we get even people the way they don't be believe on drafts. They don't be believe on action. We get people that don't come back for the revolution. They don't run. They don't come back. They won't see action. They come back. So I want to thank Comrade Willie and the people that they control the Manu County. Say a job well done. When picking pass exam, you give it the credit way it deserves. If you now foul for killer with the picking, we'll get for killer. Now so all the 13 counties supposed to fight because while they fight simultaneously, La Republic no get rest. I want to tell you something. If this world draft will not be there, or will not be get some strong power arm for all the 13 counties, because as we talk now, so nearly all the 13 counties, at least one LGA, it gets strong power arm where I probably fear. Not all the LGA, but as the 13 county, at least one LGA for that 13, for that 61 LGAs, it gets strong power arm where I probably the fear. And if we not be doing so, we not see what we general no pity do. We not see what way the Libyan they do. We not see what way Bafoot he do. We not see what way Bali he do. We not see what way Fako he do. We not see what way Manu he do. We not see what way Indian he do. They list plenty. They list plenty. If we not be the fight so, like La Republic decide say okay, they will carve military, they invade the whole Ngokutinja because of no pity. But now they no fit because if they fumble, we go attack, finish the other small one day, or we'll just chop our territory. Now why do they fear? Now why do they fight? Again for fight simultaneously. Now why that way you see when some LG in the fight, it will be a problem to us. We ask question, why? Why? We answer question because we pump money for the LGAs and we need action. All man need action. All man need action. So fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, we get for empower our draft. Any man where we think say draft it will come fail. You don't see the impact of draft. I think so. I think so we don't see the impact of draft. We don't even need to answer because if someone will say Fako don't prove them. Manu don't prove them. All sides don't prove them. All sides don't prove am. Even Momo will say Momo cool. Una know say that Momo to be make a la Republic. Momo be blow a first explosive. We be blow a key that deal with a military then. Now for Momo. So Momo not forget now for draft. Now draft money to that. Even though we get loopholes there, but we get to see. Sorry, we don't fight. Sorry, we don't use the money even at small. So I want time our restoration forces of Bafut, Bali 7 Qatar, where they do a marvelous job. We don't forget them. Bali, away Bali draft to get come into very powerfully. And they see come with Bali package. Bali the work a tremendous. Bali on what way the work. We don't say that nobody will see that Bali go pen road amber. It's not easy. Now the security and the power army go around. Now if you make we go do that kind of work. Because before you want to do that kind of work, that means you don't stop military. You don't stop military. Because we get black legs, you know. They call say that boy they pen road to that boy they call pen road. Military I say now which boy they say now the buffalo of Bali. Military say wait. He will tell the civilian say wait. They come. They come. Because they know the power army, the buffalo of Bali, Holland. Now they pen road, they pen the road amber. Every international body, you and the pass that road, they'll see them, they'll light up the amber flag. They know say these people they be determined. These people they be determined. Where they pen their road amber. Me say when no day. Me say this fight, you know, fit ever end until we get our independence. Now, a word to the chair, mandate for all the LGAs. We get reliable information. Say most of the LGAs, their chairman they be infiltrated. Most of the LGAs, their chairman them, their hand is not clean. I told you one. When I hear again. Most of the LGAs, the chairmen them, their hand is not clean. We get the chair and the defense. Each LGA, and the proposed one for the interim government, each LGA or county, they get to draw a constitution. Where that constitution give you mandate at least 2 years. When I know why we fighter. It go link. So fighter we done. It is one that this man, Maka be chairman. Now because that man don't be for that play for long. He and that fighter they don't be acquainted. They don't know road for thief. Now why that way the chairman or the fighter, he knows say when they can put that man, the other man can discover that thief. Or you know what the work we eat. Now why that way he insist say me that man can be there. And the man to the giant will come up because they don't know road for thief for ground zero. We get chairman the way that they call people that will damn they give money to fighters. We get chairman the way that they take money for civilian for damn prominent business people. For inside our own LGA county. We get the names, we get the list. For chair people the way that they call people. Say if you don't give your own contribution this year, they will storm your store. If they give they stole and here the fighter they share the money. While LGA it is struggle for contribute money. The chairman they walk behind with fighter they take money for down in any of the fighters. We get chair people for Bamenda. They call prominent business people. They tell them say, me they send their own contribution. And the people they send the contribution. They share the money within they sell ye and the fighters where they control and the LGA or county, you don't know about that one. The chairman and the chief logistics and the 2 people in that. Where this post under Moss, it gave to be rotational. This post, it gave to be rotational. Where after 2 years they kick off. That means say you even be 1 year and then the other year renewable. That means say if you don't do 2 mandates, if you don't rule 2 term, if you don't rule 2 years, you need to come back again. That's what you're supposed to do. Because if we not do so, we will create warlord, monsters. So chairman, if they take money for LGA, if they give fighter, if they tell fighter say na he money, then fighter start pay allegiance to the chairman past the LGA. In the year, fighter will say, chairman, you cafe the up. Chairman, I want to thank you for that way for me. Chairman, I want to thank you for this. Chairman, this. No say that chairman now one of the warlords that will be pillar. Fighter supposed to send audio say intern the LGA. That money will be chairman money. And most of the chairman they say they need to contribute. Most of the chair people inside LGA they need to contribute. Now different people they contribute. They can't control the manager. They can't manage people that money they don't contribute. And then it cause havoc. Now think in that way we get for stop them. All the LGAs supposed to get their constitution. You rule 2 years, you kick off. Another man come. You don't get the war. You don't get no intelligence, you don't go no military school where you say you will be a chairman or you don't go no military. All man manage. All man manage. Management and when you get people that support you, you go manage well. We get people love, people that support you, they give you the power, you go manage well. And you're anti-correct, you kick out. Okay. Now we go now to who will be the commander-in-chief for Ambazonian. Before I come to Mugamu LGA. I want to tell you, I say, I'm going to call names for Mugamu LGA. People they spoil Mugamu LGA. I be started last week. I go still finish up. I be call names. I need to fear no man. I need to fear no dog. And if they, I will tell you now, on a list, Mugamu LGA, I get a package. It's plenty. We recently hold meetings this Sunday. I will tell you now what happened with that meeting when I was shocked. Ambassador people, when I was shocked with the executive of Mugamu LGA, that one na facts. Mugamu LGA is a total failure. I will come with that one. I saw Chris Ano lament yesterday. Even me say I wept. Move, forget, move. I will come with that one. I will come with Mugamu LGA. And I will shock what will go on. Now, who will be commander-in-chief for Ambazonian as we speak? Where Apostle Manto say, stability commander-in-chief now, Dr. Sako, our president. Now he be the sole commander-in-chief now for Ambazonian. Where we do consultation. If we call for withhold lockdown, and he won, enough we call for stop lockdown. The lockdown will see. This lockdown I see, so it not be easy. One man, so no fit stop this lockdown. The president, he will consult all the other parties. They should don't Ambazonian and agree. Restoration fighters for that agree. Civil society people they will get people for Grand Zero they support this struggle past diaspora. More don't feel that way where Akwanga can the wrong mob. I never ever coach Akwanga. I no get right for coach, but I will counteract. I will tell you what way it be. I know we be a coach. The commander-in-chief, Dr. Sako, for stop both town. Not be so one man. You catch don't even get voice. Dr. Ebenezer Akwanga. It be relevant for this revolution before. But now it be irrelevant. He not get a saying. He not get a voice as you speak for the revolution. Might tell you why we will criticize warlord. Because now warlord it encourage kidnap for ransom. Now them, this small group them, ADF, now they encourage kidnap for ransom. I'll tell you why. I'm not talking sometimes when you say, for buy AK, give fighter. Nobody say you get the capability for fit that AK. Now, one thing that we go to know for this war, the highest thing where the chop money, we all will know for this war, na granite. Now, granite. You will buy money where you take a buy 1 AK. They will take a buy granite. It use now 30 minutes. It finish. But that AK is still there. And now when this individual is away, they don't get small militia level ground zero. They don't be fuel that AK they don't give for them. That boy they will do it. They will tend to kidnap. They don't feed them. They will tend to kidnap. I will quote an instance. 3 places where Sokadev every day inside ground zero. Sokadev every day for Pinien. When I remember say Pinien people you drive Sokadev. When I remember they will drive Sokadev and ADF. When I remember very well where they catch them so put them square. They drive them. Now because of it, kidnapping, raping. That one can pass. Et Sokadev, il devait for Mato. Il devait for Mato and Mienge by Epopo. When Akwanga no finance Opopo, they cease communication. Where he can talk, sometimes say Opopo, he don't go out of hand. Now because of it, money no be there way you feel financing. Now when I can use them and say Opopo don't go out of hand. And another way you see, now he be the only leader. Not only at Utayabachowe, he did on record. He did on record where they kidnap Reverend Father. Reverend Father testify. Say now he give command. Ye Akwanga give command. Me they arrest you and they torture you. Not only arrest and they torture you, demanding 8 millions. And when they begin the 8 millions. Now he did on record. And the father see they and he did on record. Now he, because of it, small militia the way when I create up, no get money for food for finance. Now the other camp is in Mato. They come to Mato, what did happen? When I see some terrorists explosive, he have a kumba. It can create, it can now. Akwanga come now for can take credit. Say now boys and do one, but when any the financial boys them, I get boys the way they did plenty. Where they say they don't deflect. They need to talk with you again. In short, the video bear that name, bet I will tell you now as we talk. The boys of Mato. They work under the internet government. Now, mostly, we, the internet government, take care for that boys because the boys, they're not there like ADF or Sokadev. They're not there like ADF. They work in collaboration with we. That one are facts. So, I doubt we say, Dr. Akwanga, he never can say ceasefire. You know what? They will come now and say ghost town me stop so that where ghost town stop, activities go normal. They all end no. Now people know they say they don't fight NCNC for all the pop. And because of that division when they get of NCNC, why he and Akwanga did not join? Now people for NCNC. Why they for NCNC? Okay. More assume say we the never again generation who don't come now they bring trouble. Why these people of NCNC they not join from a one big group? Say them in the old broom. They get idea. They get military this. Me and Basman people they follow them. They get divided man because of it. Langa for money. Langa for people that sweat. Money where you know they are own. You want fight for belong for side where people don't want to chup their skin. People don't want to chup their skin. Or do you say you can't stop ghost town? And Dr. Akwanga Ebenezer, if you look it physically, that one, if you look it physically, he be very a greedy man and jealous. Now the two As to that way, I think I look very well. If you see all outing, with anger for a face, that anger now see, now jealousy, he thinks say some people don't care what you belong to he. Ambazuna not belong to an individual person. Ambazuna 8 million people. So if Ambazuna people decide, say no be you, no force yourself, no go jealous the other person. No go now because now greedy and jealousy the key with this revolution because you want me belong to you. You see the other man he progress. You see people they like it, they hail it, go. You find you start find all means now. You know find at the public. You start find all means now will disturb that man in progress. For destroy the plan where that man will keep up. Man tell you something there. You see the fight when internet government get a strategy. Where you hear say that strategy, you get a 1 week for get independent. If you are about to see, you go block them. I tell you now. If the internet government get a plan where that plan will be drafted, concluded, say in 1 week time we get total independence. Ayabacho and Akwanga they go block them 100%. 100% because waiting. He not come for their camp. The independent now them must give the independence. Not the Amazonian people must give the independence now. Because the IG is a majority. Now the way they be the minority, they say the independent not to come out for the majority. He must come out for the minority. That's what he did. Greedy people. Now we go to Mowamo LGA. Yes, last week I've been talking on the platform where you say Mowamo LGA were now one of the giant contributors for 2021 World Draft. I know it also they be giant contributors for Ambazonian Revolution Live. They be giant contributors for 2020 World Draft because now they beat all the LGAs. But it be shocking and disturbing for say Mowamo LGA be silence. Mowamo LGA ADF it romance them. ADF they disturb the LGAs every day and night. It disturb the LGA. I be tell you, I say the one person will kill Mowamo LGA now. I will talk until I die. Now my Eringwa. And the other person where I'm saying I'll bring name today. Now the person I see online, Pastor Victor. I need to be called against Pastor Victor because we don't say that a pastorship and hypocrisy. Those are the two people where they stand so destroy Mowamo LGA and talk about my Irene and Pastor Victor. When I see so, now the two they stand behind Mowamo LGA. Can. After I destroy, don't be silence. You need to hear they need to talk again because it don't fail. All things don't shatter. The money don't swing all. When I follow common Christians, they eat up with bitterness. Eat up with a lot of bitterness. Because of it, we be expect Mowamo LGA as the giant. I Mowamo first start fight inside Momo. Inside Momo County, and Mowamo start fight. We be expected. But Mowamo LGA we get a group of thieves and embezzlers for inside the LGA. People will not deliver a result. Because this one, we will not hope, we not contribute money, so a person take them. We will not see result, we will not see nothing. They will keep pamper. Ambazonian, there are 5 francs where they give you. You must give account for that money. Yes. Because when this someone will tell they say, we not support the internet government, we talk say go demoralize, na lie. You know go demoralize nothing. We must talk who side what drive for Mowamo LGA don't go. I want to give a brief analysis for how the money for Muamo LGA is finished. After the tell now, so Muamo LGA and minus, it work on deficit. That come from a deficit. Now people there they raise 119,000 US dollars. Gokuchina raise how much? Manu raise how much? Fako raise how much? Now Fako, Manu, Bali, all side fight hot. The Muamo LGA raise the highest. If squander the money, with the fighter for them. What are the fighters? No. But I want to tell you now where to go on now. On this Sunday pass, I don't tell when I don't speak I will be brief because all man they will ask where to go on Muamo LGA. But we will draft for Muamo LGA. But we don't go draft, give this thief enable as them. We don't need to say we go draft for Muamo LGA, but we are draft, you know, over the hands of criminals, thieves, and they call it thief because they don't swing the money, they don't chop all the money, you don't finish, you know, day again. We hold a meeting on Sunday, the Restoration Council for Muamo, for resolve, see, when I listen, they hold a meeting for resolve problem where it happen for Muamo. When I hear, after you don't chop money for dry finish, when I hear the chairman for Muamo, he talk if he talk. He say, people in there they draft, they don't finish that draft. 300 something people be draft. Now almost 100 and something people they pay their money. So counting in the way, people even their money when they receive. I mean counting, not reach Muamo LGA. He say, and they need money. Yeah, the chairman from Muamo, it is something they need money to fight the enemy for us. So they need money to fight the enemy for us. Okay, when I listen, yes, they need money. Say now because people know. Let me say they be Muamo LGA need 100 million. They need a billion now for fight. They kicked me for that meeting. Me and Ghana, Mume. Now we didn't meeting where would they hammer them direct. When Ghana be asked and say, make them can explain for Muamo LGA. Who said the other world draft, the money for world draft, you don't go. They authoritatively dictator. They tell we say they not there for you now for ask money for world draft. They there for you now for impose. Say this man must give this village by village for diaspora. They must give this. No die in the enter their pocket. When I be as they say, I put my eye say, when I talk say this money. When I ask the chairman say, what did they do with the money for what? When I ask the baby money now, if I don't manage the other money, now this one, they will manage it. And if they give you one, which guarantee? It is just on our fight. If the other one they will not fight, this one will come which guarantee? Now they kick me out of the meeting, they kick Ghana out of the meeting, they start kick we with the opposition. Now we turn now opposition. We turn now opposition now for them. I know hesitate. We just go since them. My Irene and they talk. This one ambassador people. My Irene they go from different LGA. They go from different group. So the main noise. The normal LGA group they come out. They differ from different group. They tell you say they from different group. They say in a group way to go draft. Now when I come, I kick the chairman out of the group because I mean it. I kick the chairman out of the group. I kick the other Restoration Council. That part the way they make that noise. I don't kick the out of the group. I say okay now. When I go to another side way, when I say now form group, this one are the youth. Them una must count una knees. Una tell we who some money don't go. We not give money. People they chop them. They will catch them. Keep make pampers. No, no. If we talk to people, not draft. More people not be fool. I want to tell the Restoration Council and the chairman, more people are not fool. Where do we go on and say, when the other people where they come out before this executive can take power, I no be get no idea. That time I no get no idea when them contact me, they explain everything. Where I join Mogamo LGA. We can identify say the other group for call them. It will be like scammers and all the yes. We can discover. They go, they audit them. They audit them. They should say they take money. Say money loss. They ask you, this money, where they will give you? How if you provide, say, you will give money for fighter, you will give. What's proof? No proof. No proof. None of the way they call we now cut in. See, behold, all the meetings where they hold on, where the critical team the hold on before they did for draft. Now me I cheer all meeting because Mogamo told say they don't give you powers. They told say they say me we the youth we take powers. Now me I cheer all meetings till the last day for draft. But now we mobilize, we do everything. We ask the accountability, then it cost we because they don't chop the money and the money don't end. And he told this one to Amazonian people because when you see Comrade Chris, he lament yesterday. He worried me. He worried me past all thing. They don't swing on the budget. You don't finish. No, don't you know they. And then my tell now, I be tell now say, my Irene deny me Mogamo not join Momo County because of it. They discover say Mogamo get plenty money. Now Momo County now they prepare martial force. They prepare the martial force. In order to they say they don't join. Now so they feel ashamed. The money don't finish because now so you want to join Momo County. Who say money for martial force there? They don't get them. That's the problem. How Momo go for backup? Where you be go your own money, and other people will continue. Be another people go fight their own fight where you don't squander all your own money. You don't squander all your own money. You don't join Momo County. Momo County, all the other LG contribute money. You, Mogamo, you don't say you be King Kong. Now the King Kong that way, they cry now. When I say they cry now outside. And Momo, even Mezawan come, Mezango pan at 2 county. Even Manuan pack, Manigo can at 2 county. My Irene stand so bang, bring problem. Now, the money don't finish. We ask them, who's that money dey? They say they don't manufacture, no ever see no nothing. Now, they need no statistics. Now, the one full more people say they contribute another money for it. Even to a man doing a fool, you don't work. Even to a man doing a fool, you don't work. But that notwithstanding, we, the Muamu people, they will believe for justice. We prepare for drafts. And we will draft. Now we see action. Now we hear action. We did the Ghana all the movement. We go draft for our own. We go draft. We will draft. You know, we put our other coffers. Our own coffers. Then we will see action. We will see determined fighters. Commando the disturb picking them no fight. The LG be quiet. Why? Because they know the plans. They never call commando to book. Why you go seize my weapon? Why? Don't you go seize weapon now? Don't the oka attack now. Wait if you do. They pamper the kick because they know the game where they play on commando. They know the game where they play on commando. I'm not telling you something. It will be very shocking. The executive is the one we see court. Because you know we deal with commando without passing through court. That one of facts. When you see when ADF attack all the attack, the first they get the intelligence, now see court. They will not claim to my control fighters. Now see court, he send them all the way. The first class when you come out with ground, now see court give them. Then you see the failure of the executive. They will not see my control. They say nothing I control. Yeah, so person say the buffalo of Bali in my heart. Yeah, Now the buffalo, now you see, now the fight at that way, we go to draft our money to the fullest by the LGA, by food, all that people they see fight, we go powerfully. I don't talk for ambassador people say this draft 1 year a billion, millions, 1 year a millions, because the draft don't prove beyond reasonable doubt. Say they use the money. The draft, you don't prove say they use the money and the money to do power. Despite for the small loopholes, the way small criminals, the way they don't can embezzle people that money. Now millions, what they talk so? Millions will enter belly people that belly. Now, as I talk, I don't try to be activist. I be activist. Now see and talk. See and talk and nothing will happen. And the justice that we want after the revolution. If the chairman, if what argue, me come for debate, live debate, me bring a record, a statement of account. What happen with Muamu money? They know what talk. Here they will go so. What happen when I not join Momo County? They know what talk. So fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, we like people. Now we don't see the power for war draft. We get to go in. And I will still invite all man, even though I talk for here. We know we relent our efforts. My trip to where we go, war draft camp, it empower people. I will still invite people from Muamu LGA. And they call all the sons and daughters of Muamu, una wives, and know una potential contributors to Muamu. And they call upon una say, we don't fix them. Now forget about that enablers. Now forget about that enablers. We the action, we want action. We want action for Muamu. We want action. Wait till Muamu get a very strategic location for fight. Our boys want fight, means no day for fight. Our boys want selling the Republic out, means no day. We move joy hand. Move with joy hand. If we leave the executive, we go only hear now one story after another. One story. ADF go arrest fighter. We ask them. They say no, they don't reconcile with ADF. I ask them for group say, we not tell we the terms of agreement where we don't go with the ADF. Say they won't release the other fighter. They don't talk carriage today. But ADF won't bounce to come back. Now so they will pamper una. We never hear fight. Now only say we ADF can attack. We hear say they raise money. ADF can attack. We hear say they raise money. Well, I know I event down some of them get an alliance with ADF. We can't do. We can't scruple Muamu people that coffers. For the team Muamu people because I need to still understand the game. I need to still understand the game. So not only we need to fight the Republic. Not the time where ADF no come, ADF come more money, make our give money. ADF come more give money. But this time around, you know what? We get fighters so that way they be determined, ready for fight. A commando, you know, if you challenge the fighter. That one be facts. Commando, if you challenge the fighter. Now why that one go plot cool? Me the holding for ground one, but he succeed. He succeed come. I go fight the fight. I be determined for fight the fight. I be educated for fight. He be educated. Una one fight away, una we manipulate a brain anyhow. But that one be above una. Now why that way una LG, una the dog shit. But una just say, we reconcile with you. We reconcile with you. What should reconcile? Reconcile. Una don't swing all money for Muamu. Una don't give you no 5 francs. Now we money don't finish. Una can't just say una the reconcile with you. Reconcile empty mob. Reconcile empty mob. I do job back. Me tell me. Una don't tell the Muamu LG. Me they just step down all the more. Una don't tell that executive me they step down. Because if they step down, things will work. They don't step down. Una don't tell the executive Muamu all them show me they step down. From the spokesman, all the active people, all are criminals. I know this simple where people arrest 170,000 US dollar catch. He lost. He lost. He lost to thin air. For air. For in short, we just keep that one. We will talk at different time. Thank you very much for watching and stay blessed.